Hey guys, it's October. It's 45 degrees outside. I have dishes running in the background. I have a nice hot cup of tea, and it's time to make some lunch. Let's get going. So, we are going to be making a spicy peanut sauce with pasta. Original recipe calls for rice noodles. I have about 1/3 of a pound of angel hair pasta boiling right now on the stovetop because I don't have rice noodles, and you don't have to use rice noodles because I don't have any, and I haven't gone to the grocery store in like half a week, maybe a week. I don't even remember. So I have the food processor right now. Now, while that's boiling, this is a super easy recipe because it literally, you get the sauce ready while the noodles are boiling, and once the noodles are done boiling and once you strain it, you just pour the sauce on and like mix it in, and it's done, and it's great. It's hot and it's cold outside. So let's get going. So in the food processor, we're going to start off with crunchy peanut butter. You can use creamy if you don't like the chunks. Most of the chunks are going to get pureed for the most part anyway. So it's going to be up to you, just personal preference. Now you want, I want my fingers to be super sticky. I'm going to do 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. And for peanut butter, I don't like using a regular like measuring spoon just because it's sticky and you're not going to be able to get all of it out. So using a couple spoons or your finger, whatever, that's up to you. I should have done this before I started recording. It takes a little bit just because, again, it's peanut butter. So, and there we go. That's like the hardest part of all of this. I'm gonna put those down. So, original recipe. I'm going to say so a lot in this video because I can. Closer to 2 cloves of garlic. I have 3 cloves of garlic because I like garlic. Again, you don't have to do this many. You don't have to put garlic in at all. I would suggest it because garlic is delicious and it's good for you. Don't ask me how it's good for me, or anyone, because right now I don't have the science to back my statement. Da-da-da. My hand was already sticky. Ugh. Lemon juice. We are going to be doing half a tablespoon. I had to think about it for a second. Da-da-da. Crap. Give me a second. I forgot that specific measuring spoon does not have a half a tablespoon. And I need a half a tablespoon. Very important that I have a half a tablespoon. Half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Da-dum-da-dum. I forgot to grab the honey because that's just how I am. Honey. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of this. And I'm not going to dirty another. What's great about this particular recipe is that it's you don't have to have that many dishes or utensils in order to make it. It's super easy to make that. Wow, that was annoying. Alright, so now that we're sufficiently sticky, because we've done honey and peanut butter now, and we've done our garlic, I'm gonna do I need soy sauce. And did I buy soy sauce? It doesn't even look like I bought soy sauce. I'm pretty sure I specifically went to the grocery store to buy soy sauce. Wow. Alright. New plan. Sesame oil. I was going to add in some anyway. This is an optional part of the recipe. If you have soy sauce, use soy sauce. But as of right now, I cannot locate said soy sauce. I'm pretty sure I bought some, but I don't remember where I put it. That's the kind of week I'm having, guys. So, 1 tablespoon. You know what? Add in another half, because I was going to add in a tablespoon of sesame oil anyway, because that's what the recipe calls for on the optional area. Wow. I am sad today, guys. Alright, so sriracha is the next. Ingredient. Or you can use any chili sauce. So I have many options. Normal sriracha. I have this polar sriracha chili sauce. I have actual chili garlic sauce because I'm extra. This is actually the same brand as the typical sriracha. I also have Cholula, because Cholula can go with anything. But because I'm trying to stick as much to the recipe besides, the soy sauce as I can, I'm going to go with traditional sriracha sauce. So that's 1 tablespoon. So if you don't like it spicy, you can do half a tablespoon. I like it extra spicy. Husband, not so much. But he can deal with it because I'm cooking and he's at work and he has no say. Ah. Ta-da. That's the pasta. Let's strain. Hey guys, so my phone decided to shut off because that's what I'm using as a camera right now. I poured our lovely mixture, our lovely orange, delightful, creamy mixture into the pasta, mixed it up, and yeah, so now we're going to give her a taste. Just get a nice little bite. Nothing too crazy. We're just taste testing. So a couple toppings that you could put on your peanut sauce and noodles, spring onions, a little bit of extra color, a little bit of freshness, a little pizzazz going on there. Or if you want a crunchy element, you could put some more crushed peanuts in there if the peanuttiness is not enough for you. But it is a good kind of textural addition. Also, sesame seeds We added sesame oil. Why not some actual sesame seeds? Because we're extra like that. So I don't have any crushed peanuts and I don't have spring onions. I'm just gonna do a little shaking of white sesame seeds. Kind of mix it up there. I'm gonna get a little tasty test. The sauce is like the mouth texture, the mouth feel, as you know, people say in culinary school and whatever, in big culinary places. The mouth feel is like peanut butter, like that kind of, like the roof of the mouth kind of feeling. A little bit of sweetness in there for the honey, and kind of a smack in the face. Just a little tap from the sriracha and the garlic. It's good. It's pretty good. Now, I don't know if you guys heard this. It may have been when I was pouring this in. I'm not Thai. I'm not Asian. I'm just, I like food. And I like trying out new recipes. And this is good. It's something quick that you can do. And it's pretty tasty. So I'm going to package some of this up for the husband because he's at work and he didn't get to be with us today. Yeah. Again, just like always, if you liked the video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little notification bell next to it and click all videos if you want to see my lovely face again. Probably not, but you know, it'd be nice. And yeah, leave a comment on something that you'd like to see next, maybe. And we'll see what we're doing. Next video is gonna be a lovely dinner dessert, or dinner recipe. Dinner dessert. That would be nice. That would be really cool having dessert for dinner. But we'll get to that eventually. So yeah, thank you guys for stopping in today. Hopefully you can try this out for yourself. Let me know if you do, and we'll see you later. Bye.